So I just wanted to show how you can use this to plan out what you're going to make so that you don't, do it in the metal and then be like, oh, I didn't want that there and it didn't fit, and then you got to chuck this and start over. Go ahead and do it on here. You can also do it on cardstock. But all I do is draw whatever shape I'm working on. So I have a template like that. And what should we do, Mel? I've got some trees. Let's do a tree. So the only thing I want to point out is you don't want to do this on your bench block. How about this guy?
Oh, yeah.
Because essentially this is so thin that you're going to be stamping this right onto your bench block, which will hurt your stamps. Mm-hmm. So we're working on a wooden table here. It's just covered with this gray plastic. You can work on, I was doing this at home recently and I was working on like a cutting board, but just something soft that's not going to hurt your stamp. So I'm just going to place it there, and I'm actually going to use my plastic mallet because you can almost just press it in, but I'm just going to like tap, like I barely hit it, and it impresses it in, so you can really see it. So you mean like do like this?
Yeah, yeah.
Now even if I was working on the circle, my stamp, this part of my stamp right here would have just hung off the edge, so I still would have gotten that effect. Mm-hmm. Is that what you were thinking?
Yes, that's exactly it. I want to see how it would look like. Would I want to do it like that? Like, this is a good way to find out.
Yeah, like a bunch of them together. Now, I'm going to take our curve here. I think I'm going to build a little
mountain.
Yeah, like just a little hill so that the next one can be even higher.
Oh, I like that idea a lot. Yes, it's not floating in the air.
Which also looks fine. I mean, we have a bunch like that, like on this one. It looks, perspective is cool.
Oh, that's true. Now, some folks are saying that they actually just hold them and tilt them to get it all. They don't even hit them, or they put something soft underneath it, like a notebook.
You can do that. My hand is totally hiding it, but I mean, if I went, so that one, cool. I just pressed it. You just make that noise. So maybe I want to put a little sun coming up from the corner here.
Oh, I love that. I never thought of using that one that way. I like that.
Yeah, I used that on my little Jeep sample.
That's with Vintage Sunrise, huh?
Yeah.
That's so cute.
And I put a circle in it, so it even looked more like a sun.
That's really cute.
Mountains.
That's cute. You could even do those all the way across, really.
Yeah, I'm going to put one of the bigger mountains and then go back to that mountain. Where did the bigger mountain go? No, that's not it. Oh, here it is. Can you guys see this okay? Let's build a bigger, tall mountain here.
I think the Jeep stamp's going to be popular. We're still talking about it.
Even if you just wanted to see how something looks without drawing your shape, like maybe I wanted to see what I could do with this stem here. And you can do it either way. I'm going to flip it upside down. See the difference there? Now that bottom guy goes up.
Yeah.
And then you can kind of play with which flowers, this is the echinacea, sit well on it. And how far you need to like overlap with the stem to make sure that it looks
awesome,
connected,
Mm-hmm. I love it.
And the crazy thing is you can even like blacken it.
Oh, I never really thought about that.
That's just Sharpie and Pro Polish Pad. I did a whole huge mandala on one of these. You just have to hold it different. And framed it. And it looked great. I can obviously do a little more
polishing. Yeah, but that is cool.
Does that look good?
Yeah, it looks awesome.
So if you wanted to play around with that, and on this little guy right there, we might throw a little flower.
That's cute. That's super cute.